Introducing a new innovative, continuously tunable light source. The product name is Tunable Mighty Light, and we call this product TML. Brief components are described. The product consists of TML and fiber bundles as basic accessories. In addition, different output accessories can be selected depending on the application. In particular, when a liquid light guide is connected to a microscope, it can be used as a light source for a fluorescence microscope. I would like to explain the operation of the software. First, its setup mode. On the left is TML's software, and on the right is a spectrum taken with a spectrometer connected to TML. Enter the 425 nanometer wavelength, and you will immediately see the change. Second, scan mode. It is the same screen mode, but you can check the output beam on the right. Check the wavelength and actual image, while scanning from 425 nanometer to 700 nanometer in 25 nanometer increments. Third, the preset mode. The pre-selected wavelength ranges are the main wavelength ranges used for fluorescence imaging. 488, 514, 561, and 633 nanometer are used by default, but TML also allows selecting particular wavelengths. 534 nanometer is the excitation value of Alexa 532 dye. 589 nanometer is the excitation value of Texas red dye. 649 nanometer is the CY5 excitation value. It can be used by simply entering the desired wavelength in units of 1 nanometer. Fourth, brightness control. For example, tuning using the 633 nanometer wavelength. If you look at the top of the software, there is a brightness adjustment value. Scroll the spectrum to the right to see that the intensity values are adjusted. Our TML is, it can be used for fluorescence imaging light sources and industrial inspection.